in here. Alright, look what we got. A little shopping today. To replace this one, which I use exclusively, but it's just getting a little too sloppy. This was kind of something I needed, so alright, check it out what we got. 3-drawer with the top, roller cart, or 4-drawer actually. It feels pretty good in the store, but it's got nice slides. It's got liners in them already. Some assembly required, obviously. I'm not going to show putting it together because if you're buying something like this, you shouldn't really need someone to show you how to do it. But this is like 200 bucks. It's on sale for $149 right now. But if you grab a magazine like this, or Popular Mechanics also. Let me bring it over here.
$19.99 a month for a full year. Cable's just way expensive about the bill.
You can get the coupon for 100 bucks.
Dish is a better value than that. This is what Dish is going to save you your first year. $300? Yes. Plus, enjoy HBO.
You look in the flyer here.
Stars free for 3 months and get Blockbuster at home with unlimited access.
$229 on sale for $149. So you get the coupon. You buy the magazine for $4. $4.99. Plus, it's a magazine you probably might want. Maybe you don't. So you spend the $5 on the magazine. You get to read the magazine. You get the coupon out of it, and you get it for $100. So I'm gonna slam this thing together, and we'll get back to it. Actually, what else was in here, which is pretty cool? Like a 3/8 impact for $14.99 or $32. That coupon's in there too. There's a couple other ones. Different than what you're gonna see in your flyers. Chain breaker there. Never tried that one. I usually don't buy a lot of Harbor Freight stuff, but can't beat the cart. I do got the welding mask. Auto tint. Here's the gun. Little 3/8 guy. So, alright, let's get that going. Pop rivet gun for $2. Clearance. Some zip strips. I went to AutoZone and got some barium and dip, towels, Marvel, some camo, and purple. So this cost me 67 bucks for this shit here. Harbor Freight cost me 137, and I got a cart, the water, and the gun. Alright. I just wanted to show you quick before I get into this how it looks. You get your keys. It's basically the whole box with no legs, so you know the bottom tray, it's sitting in the bottom tray there. And I guess I'm just gonna work on its side and bolt them up. Let me see what's inside this thing real quick. Nope, there's the legs, yeah, alright. So you get the legs. See, they work pretty nice, man. There's another frame rail for something. Yeah, it's got padding already. Pretty thick too. I mean, 400 bucks for a cart. Screw that, you know. Yeah, Snap on. I love them. Blue Point. Mac. There's no way I'm spending that much on something. 100 bucks. See, it's no ball bearings, but and they feel pretty solid. Kind of thin gauge. So we'll stiffen it up. Alright, later. So the shop got a new roller cart. Something with everything in one spot, not scattered anymore. You know, I don't really need much more than this besides the air stuff to do anything on these bikes. For what I do. You can see the lid I strapped back. I took off the arms, which you can do if you decide to do it. So you rivet it in, you can't screw it out, but there's enough space. There's enough space for it to go back, so that's how I'm going to leave it, because I'm going to leave my top open. I always work out of it. Plus it locks the drawers when you use depress. It locks all the drawers. Just some junk in here. T-handle stuff. Air stuff. It does show a junk drawer here, so we'll work that out. This drawer will be probably open more than anyone. Charger, impact. Chain breaker. Another chain breaker. 3/8. Torque. This little added thing I threw on the side. Keep all my aerosols, a couple sprays. You know what, let me take the top off. You know what, I'll go ahead and pop this. You can see it closed. So there's your box. Like I said, it'd be hard for me to work with the top down. And I don't gotta lock it up because I got that big ass door. Alright, so that's it. The 4-drawer Harbor Freight, $99 hauler. Alright. So there's a before and after there. I'll turn it into a welding cart or something. I don't know yet. But little custom side. Old sign. Shop box. So go out there, get your coupon, and get you a $100 Harbor Freight cart. It's got a lot of room underneath too. For, I mean, anything. All right.